What's up, sinners? I just wanted to do a quick video because I told Ray that I would. Ray was kind enough to offer up a little pre-sale purchase for myself, being as I was lucky enough to test some of the new scents. Of that, I chose 2 of them to start off with, although I will say that all 3 of them are phenomenal. And the 2 that I chose to start off with is the ever popular Gluttony. Hopefully y'all can see that. And it was a full combo, balm oil combo, and the as yet unreleased Wrath. Okay. So I told Ray I would do a little review. I'm not great at reviews, but for Ray, anything goes. So here goes. Let me talk a little bit about Gluttony. Well, let me just talk about Synful in general. I think I've heard it mentioned before. Synful. Oh, and in case you're wondering, I'm at work. It's slow today, so I figured why not? Yeah, crap in the background. Took my shirt off so I could put my Synful shirt on. You know, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, so I heard it said before, and I think it's a perfect assessment. The mixes, or should I say, the blending of the oils that Ray does sometimes defies description. Really, I think Ray does such a good job of blending oils together and making perfect balances between all of the scents that he puts into each and every one. You get nuances of tobaccos, you get nuances of boozy scents, you get nuances of fruits and woods and all kinds of things blended together, but a lot of times it doesn't seem like any one thing overpowers another. It's just an amazing blend of everything blended together. And I'm not sure if it was Ray himself that just says, you know, how do you describe these? It's how a man should smell. It's a manly, oftentimes sweet, like all us men, sweet. Remember that, ladies. Scent that just smells amazing. I mean, even when I open up Gluttony, I mean, Gluttony is probably, of the new scents, in my opinion, the sweetest one, but it's so deep and it's got so much stuff going on that it's one I often have heard about recently, for those of you who did get a chance to try the new scents, and they melt nice and they're smooth. I really dig these containers. They're real nice to take with you. And then the next would be Wrath. Wrath was the other one I chose to purchase right off the bat, and again, it has that sweet smell, but it carries a little bit different undertone to it. I'm not even going to begin to try to really pick out the notes. I definitely get some woods in there along with the sweetness. But guys, I really cannot encourage you enough to try out these new scents if you haven't had a chance to. You know, get some samples from Ray, see what other people are purchasing, and make some good decisions. I'm sure if you like Devil's Breath or you like Serpent or any of those, you're absolutely going to go bonkers for Wrath. But I'm right now, today, I am wearing Wrath, and I will tell you this: I put it on, it smelled amazing. Kind of, I wouldn't say it settled down. Maybe got a little nose blind to it. As soon as I went outside today, and today is warm, that heat from the sun warmed it up, brought it back to life. Got some breezes coming in, and next thing you know, I'm smelling it again. It's fantastic, and I've been smelling it on and off all day. Although I'm definitely going to reapply because it's one of those scents that you just can't get enough of. So don't be afraid of reapplying. Use that stuff up. I know many of you probably have a lot of oils, you know, and a lot of balms at home if you've been in the game a while. So by all means, use it up, because you know what? Ray will make you more. So for those of you who are out of competition today too, best of luck. And Ray, I'm sure you're probably there vending and all of that good stuff, so I hope you're meeting a lot of new beards. I hope you all are having a good time. And I'm not sure who all went out other than Edward, and I'm sure Ray. Fawn, I don't know if you went out, but if not, I know you're there in heart and spirit. So guys, keep up the great work, and a happy sinner right here. Sinners are winners. So thanks everybody, and I hope the video was okay, Ray, and good luck everyone. Thank you.